Brand new, genuine oil filter, seal and the filter. Now what a lot of people don't do is lubricate the seal. So it's got to go into there first. Make sure it's not twisted. Now what you've got to do is lubricate that seal with some new engine oil. So a little bit on my finger. Lubricate the seal, a little bit more on. Can't have enough on that. Now that filter, that oil filter is going to go into there, but what I don't do, I don't put it in dry. A lot of dealers just put this oil filter straight into the oil housing, bone dry. I don't tend to do that. What I do is this. I use one of these big funnels. It's got a aluminium gauze in there. It's all nice and clean. That goes into the oil filler. That goes into there. Now the car takes 8 or 9 litres of oil. I tend to put 5 litres straight into here, let it soak in. That pre-oils the filter. Right, this car takes 520 fully synthetic. So 5 litres is going to go in there. And as you can see, it's pre-soaking the filter with engine oil. So at least you know when you start it, it's not a dry filter. Right, now we've got the oil filter pre-oiled. Push it in so it clicks in. Okay, make sure the seal is actually in that groove. It's oiled. It's pre-oiled. Do it up by hand loosely. That's nicely on. Get the tool. Right, to do the oil filter up, 25 newton meters, good torque wrench, that's on 25. Engine's got to be stone cold. Right, 25. She's on.